In this video, we're going to learn how to add users in ActiveCampaign. To add users to your ActiveCampaign account, first open up a preferred web browser and type in activecampaign.com into the URL box and enter. Make sure to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll end up in the dashboard. Now, from the main home page, click on the Contacts tab on the left-hand corner of the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your contacts. Once you end up on this page, click on the Add a Contact button at the top right-hand corner and fill in the required details. Enter their first name, last name of the contact, their email address, phone number, and the account type. After filling in all of the details in the pop-up, click on Add. Optionally, you can add tags, custom fields, or segment the contact based on the specific criteria. Click on Add to List and select a list. You can add deals to the contact, enter a tag name, and under Advanced List option, select the status for the contact. After you are done, click on Apply, and you have successfully added the new user in ActiveCampaign. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video again. Goodbye till then.